Sweet.
This is In the Sweet by and by in the key of G. It's just a simple way to chord along to this beautiful song. I hope you enjoy it. Make sure to stop the video, and if you click on the description below, I will have the link to the chord sheet that you can print out and follow along with me. Okay, so this is just a simple way to play it. Like I said, G, C, D, that's it. Okay, so let's go through those chords. If you look for a group of 3 black notes, you can find a G just tucked, G tucked right in between there. Line up your 5 fingers, play every other note, G, B, D, and that's a G chord. Okay, scoot up here to the group of 2 black notes, and here is a C note, G, A, B, C. Play every other note, C, E, G. Okay, move up 1 set of notes and you're in the D position. D, F sharp, A is our D chord. Okay, and this makes up a triangle shape, if that helps to see that as a triangle. Okay, so review, we just have those 3 chords, G, C, and D. That's it. All right, left hand is going to be playing just single notes, so let's put pinky on G, line up your 5 fingers, and then you don't have to move your hand the whole song. Okay, so when we play G chord up here, let's just play G single note. Okay, C to C, and D triangle to D in the left hand. All right, so how we bring the 2 hands together, this song is written in 4/4 time signature, so I use a ratio called 1:2, and that just looks like this: 1, 2, 1, 2, or together, right, together, right, together, right, together, right. Practice that on the C chord. Nice marching rhythm, really simple. And that'll just kind of get you through the foundation of this song, just getting you up and playing and enjoying your music. All right, I'm going to sing through verse 1. There's a lot of repetition in this song, so it's pretty simple. So you can see how it is when we add the vocals in. All right, here you go.
There's a land that is fairer than day, and by faith we can see it afar, for the Father waits over the day, to prepare us a dwelling place there.
All right, I want to stop for a minute and talk about patterns. So lines 1 and 3 in this song are G, C, G, and they repeat G, C, G, first and third line. And that's going to be similarly through verse 1, 2, 3. And then lines 2 and 4 are a little bit different. It's just D on line 2 and then D, G. So notice music, start to notice patterns in your music, and it helps simplify things. Also, verse 1, 2, 3, take a look at those, and they are the same exact chords. So that's 3/4 of your song done, right? Okay, so those patterns help simplify it. All right, so let's take a look at the chorus, and then we'll go back to verse 1, and I'll slow it down for you. Okay, so we start out with the G chord.
In the sweet by and D chord, by we shall meet on that beautiful G chord shore. In the sweet by and C, by we shall meet on that D beautiful shore.
Okay, if bringing the 2 hands together is too complex, just remove your left hand altogether. Just play right hand by itself, and even block chord through the chords. You know, just get your hands used to where they're going to be going, and maybe hum along.
And by faith we can see it afar, for the Father waits over the way to prepare us a dwelling place there.
All right, bringing the 2 hands together on verse 2, just so you can see a little bit, bringing the 2 hands back together, but slowing it down a little bit.
We shall sing on that C chord, beautiful G shore. The melodious song of the D chord, blessed
beginning to end. Make sure to go back and just watch the beginning if you need a little help. Here we go.
There's a land that is fairer than day, and by faith we can see it afar, for the Father waits over the way to prepare us a dwelling place there, in the sweet by and by we shall meet on that beautiful shore, in the sweet by and by we shall meet on that beautiful shore, we shall sing on that beautiful shore the melodious song of the blessed, and our spirits shall sorrow no more, not a sigh for the blessings of rest, in the sweet by and by we shall meet on that beautiful shore, in the sweet by and by we shall meet on that beautiful shore, to our bountiful Father above we will offer the tribute of praise, for the glorious gift of His love, and the blessings that hallow our days, in the sweet by and by we shall meet on that beautiful shore, in the sweet by and by we shall meet on that beautiful shore, we shall meet on that beautiful shore, in the sweet by and by we shall